Bring our bread, please, and the sausage. Who wants bread and sausage? Who wants hot first, Connie Lee?
Hans, do you want a bread and sausage? Bro, I said coming out you need to have some pie.
Yep, I'll have one.
Yeah,
And
hurry
then
up.
having a Coke.
Hans, we're not at home, so there's no storage for these things. Oh my gosh, this fire is getting in my eyes. Smoke. I'm trying to train my eyes again. Woo!
Anybody want one? Got a sausage? Not yet.
Cheers. More? Should I be on you? The Coke Zero.
Not the bread.
Who?
The yarny.
Now put the butter and the vegetables and butter it. So can you? Oh, sorry, mate.
That is my 6th sausage for today. Or 7, wait. No one's fishing on the beach today, so we're the only ones here.
I like the tomato sauce. It's not too salty.
Sausage and bread. Whoever invented the sausage sizzle, you're a bloody legend. And ham tomato sauce. It's actually quite nice, not bad.
Around there. This isn't very stable, the one I'm sitting on. It moves. So I did. Comes it over here.
Sure, babe, you can just come and sit over here.
He's on his last set of clothes because I changed him this